Okay, no? Talk and text at saka rain or shine. Game 4 ng PBA semis, no? Game 4, no? Well, maganda yung start ng Ross, bayan ng rain or shine. Kaso, some people think that imports should dominate in scoring kasi nasanay tayo dyan. Elgin Baylor, Will Chamberlain, Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, Shaquille O'Neal. Scoring points. Pero hindi natin nakita yung pagdo-dominate ng isang point guard, not unless si Jason Kidd ka, si John Stockton ka, o si Magic Johnson ka. In game 1 of this series, RSJ in a few game 1 or game 2 ata, RSJ focuses on defense. And then so maganda yung pinakita ng TNT doon. Na-injured si Jason Castro. So ano yung finill up ni RSJ being the point guard in the last quarter? Umiscore siya, hindi sa option sa offense, pero pag hawak niya yung bola, he's making decisions, good reads. Kasi akala natin hindi nga tumatalon sa depensa, hindi siya tumatalon to block, hindi siya usually ball dominant, pumapasa siya. So, ano yan eh, kumbaga, kasi yung TNT got scorers like Oftana and Pogoy na talagang bumomba o pumuntos ito na ron to. So, hindi na kailangan ni RHJ yun. No? So, doon makikita yung quarterbacking dominance nito ni Rondae Hollis Jefferson na evident. Kasi natalo sila without Jason Castro. Hindi natin alam kung anong ipapakita ng rain or shine. Now, knowing that RSJ is capable of taking over as point guard. So, hindi natin alam anong klaseng defense ang ibibigay ni Kalen Johnson sa kanya. Will Kalen Johnson stop his quarterbacking or Kalen Johnson would stop his scoring? Hindi natin alam yun. So, mahirap pareho depensahan yun. And if you got two players with at least 20, almost 20, two players mo na 20, halos 20 points sa dalawang players na yon. And RSJ is just quarterbacking at the end. Parang napakahirap na nilang talunin. So, yun lang yung nangyari sa laron to. So, yun lang po.